Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, can't extend Windows 11, 10 C Drive Unallocated Space. Right-click Start button, click Disk Management. Extend volume is grayed out. Type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type Diskpart. Type list disk. Select disk number. Type select disk 0. Type list partition. We want to delete new volume F drive. F drive having 88.75 GB. Select partition 5. Delete partition override. Right-click C Drive, click Extend Volume. Click Next to continue. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.